I decided to shoot on the rooftop just above our studio here in Cleveland, Ohio, where I'm going to be shooting a lot of our content here. I want to bring something to your attention that you're probably not thinking about. All of you who join TextBot, you have a specific operating system that you come in. Most of your operating systems, the program is called Get Rich Quick. And so you come in with this mental program and you say, okay, if I haven't made a return on my investment in the first 2 weeks, I quit. And in order to be successful in life, you're going to have to understand that it's not about getting rich quick. First, we need to get acclimated with the products. We need to get acclimated with our back office. We need to see how everything flows. We need to probably upgrade to AVA Plus. If you're at the 100, you want to probably upgrade to AVA Plus. Get yourself positioned for success. And then you want to start hacking the way that you think, because the broken mentality is, I'm going to make all this money in the first 30 days. If I don't, I quit. If I don't have all my resources, all my tools, all my connections, if I don't have everything laid out for me and just turn the key, press a button and just press go and just go live my life and make all this money, that's a broken mentality. So what you want to do is get acclimated with everything, go throughout your back office, understand our DNA. Our DNA, one of our distinctives that set us apart from any other movement out there, is that we are not just a high-tech company, we are a high-touch company. What does this mean? That our focus, what we are centered around, our movement is not just some technology. We're not the company that's going to roll out this new functionality every single day, but we're really going to challenge you to take your thinking to that next level. So I want you to ask yourself, like, what is my mindset? Am I wired for success? Many of you, you're coming into TextBot with a scarcity mindset, with a survival mindset. Like, if I don't make my money back in 2 weeks, I'm just going to quit. What's going on? I'm not getting any sales. And nothing great was built overnight. And so the first person that you need to impact is yourself. You need to hack into your mental programming, calm down, and give yourself a chance. Give yourself a chance. Every internet millionaire you see, anybody who's making 6 figures a month, 6 figures a year, anybody who's making 5 G's a week, $1,000 a week, $500 a day, I don't care what it is, this person is a very highly disciplined person. They're streamlined, they're confident, they know who they are, they know what they're passionate about, they know what makes them come alive, and they're giving themselves, watch this, at least a year. So commit to 12 months. I want to help you in life, not just in TextBot. Tip of the day is go out there and connect with new people. Get creative with your phone number. We all have a phone number. Share your phone number. The more eyeballs you can get on our presentation, as we do all the selling, all the telling, all the explaining for you, and all you have to do is share the number. This is the cure to the common cold of poverty and a broken mentality. Because not only are people getting introduced to a technology, but they're getting introduced to coaching and mentoring, which so many people desperately need. In order to change your life, you have got to be in the presence of somebody who thinks on the next level. Proximity is the key to the future. Who are you connected to? And so I'm excited, man, that I can bring motivation to the table, that I can bring a new mindset to the table, that I can be a part of this corporate staff with Jeff Long and the rest of the team, and that we can empower you to live a life of abundance and not scarcity and survival. Marcus from TextBot, I'll see you in the next video. Let's go!